Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can withdraw money from Bybit. So first of all, you will have to open up your Bybit account, and in this video we will see how we can withdraw from Bybit. And there are around 50 fiat options for us to withdraw our money from Bybit. But when you go on Binance, you will be able to see that there are more than 100 options. So in case if you are not able to find your currency on Bybit itself, then I will also show you how you can just use Binance to withdraw money from Bybit. And this way you will be able to withdraw money quite easily. Now first see how we can do it from Bybit itself. So for that you need to open up your account, then click on this option of buy crypto, then go to this option of P2P trading. After that, when the window opens up, you just have to click on this option of sell instead of buy. You can just change it quite easily. And here you can set the cryptocurrency that you want to sell to receive the amount in your native currency. So you can just select any of them. USDT would be better. So what you have to do is just click on this option of trade and sell all your cryptos that you have into USDT. So we just selected this pair of BTC USDT. Suppose you have the Bitcoin. So we will just select this option, and here we will just click on sell. After that, we will type in the amount that we want to sell for our Bitcoin. After that, just sell Bitcoin and you will be able to receive USDT into your account. And when you receive the USDT into your account, then after that, when we go on this option of P2P, here we will be able to see the USDT and sell that USDT into our native crypto. Then you can just select the native crypto of your choice. There are around 50 options to choose from, and just choose accordingly. And as soon as you choose the native currency, all the payment methods in that particular currency will appear right beside it. So in INR, which is the currency of India, so here you will find the related options or payment methods that we can choose to receive our money from Bybit. So there are a lot of options that we can use to receive money. And after that, you will see this option of refresh settings. This basically refreshes this page in order to see the latest rates that we can get for our USDT. And then you will find this option of filter. So you can just easily filter out the deals for you in this option. So let's see individually and some more options that you need to look for in order to avoid or get scammed, so you don't fall into any problem out here. So just scroll down and you will be able to see a little bit info about that particular person who's going to buy our USDT and give us our native currency. So you will find that the number of orders that a particular person has completed and the percentage of that particular orders, like he has completed 98% of his orders. So it is quite important for you to notice this percentage, as this will help you avoid all these scams out there, because there are some people who will just receive the USDT and create problems for you and might not release the amount for you. So you must pay the attention while selecting the particular seller or the buyer of our USDT. And you will also see that there are some people who are new to this. So even if they complete just one order, which is the first order, they will have 100%. So also look for that. And here you will see the price that you will be getting for 1 USDT. And then you will see how much USDT that particular person has. Suppose you want to sell around 1000 USDT, then this person might not be of any use for you, as this person only has 115 USDT. So you also need to find someone who has the required amount of USDT, so you can just sell it to them. And the limit is basically you can sell a USDT in this limit to them, and it is appearing in INR and it will appear in your native currency when you are trying to do this process. So just choose any particular person as per your requirements and needs. And the traffic is quite high on this website as of now. That's why most of them are ineligible, which is not usually the case. Just let me reload it. Traffic is quite high, that's why it is not available. Let me select the sell option. Now some of them are available. Now let me show you how you can do it. So suppose this is the person that we are going with. I usually don't select people who has less than 90% of completion rate, but I'm just showing you around as it as an example, even though it is less than 90% of completion ratio. So just select this option of sell USDT, and after that you have to type the amount. Like if you want to sell 1000 USDT, then just type 1000 USDT over here, and then you will see the amount that you will be receiving in place of 1000 USDT into your bank account, and then click on this option of add a payment method. These payment methods will change according to your country, as some countries might have more payment methods, some might have less. Then all the payment methods that you have added to your Bybit account will appear here. Just select one of them, and if you don't have any, then just simply click on this option of add now. So this will basically add the payment method. You can add your bank account, and after that your bank account will appear here, and all you have to do is just choose it. So after adding your bank account, you will be able to click on this option of sell, and after selling up your USDT, you will receive the INR into your bank account, and as a confirmation, message will be sent to your mobile device, and then you will have to confirm whether you have received the money or not, and after that your transaction will be successful. And suppose your currency or the native currency of your country is not available over here, and the payment method that you are looking for is not available over here, then we can bypass Bybit and use Binance for that. But for that you need to transfer all your crypto from Bybit to Binance, and for that you just have to click on this option of assets and go to your spot wallet. And after that, suppose you have converted all your cryptos to USDT by selling them, and just in your spot wallet you will be able to see this option of withdraw right beside USDT. So just click on it, and on your Binance you just have to go to your wallet. Suppose we go to our spot wallet, and here let me type USDT. Here it is. So on Binance, let's click on deposit. Then we need to choose the chain over here or the network. It should be as same as the network that you choose on Bybit. Suppose you are choosing Binance Smart Chain, then make sure that you are choosing the same while withdrawing it on USDT. So after that you will receive this address. It is specifically for Binance Smart Chain. So copy it, paste it on USDT, or when you click on withdraw. When I click on withdraw, I'm a new account, so I will have to set up the Google authentication. Only then I will be able to withdraw. But for you, since your account is not new, you will have to just paste this address of Binance Smart Chain. Make sure that you have chosen the Binance Smart Chain over here too, and after that just withdraw it to Binance, and then you will receive all your USDT into your Binance account quite easily. After that, just go to this option of buy crypto and click on this option of P2P trading. And here, like the way we selected on Bybit, just select sell option, confirm it, and after that just filter out the deal for you by clicking on this option of filter. And after that, just choose the fiat currency, your payment method, and all the reasons that you want to choose. And just suppose you want to choose this one, and it has 100% completion rate, and it is using UPI payments in order to pay you money into your bank account, and you want to receive UPI, then just click on this option of sell USDT. Fill all the details and click on sell USDT. After that, a confirmation message will be sent to your mobile device. Just confirm it and your transaction will be successful. So this is how you can do it on Binance. But if you are on Binance app, then you will be able to find an easy way. And for that, you just have to go to your finance section, and here you will find cash payments type of option in your finance. And all the struggle that we did finding a particular person for us, Binance will do it all for you quite automatically, and you will be able to do it. So this is how you withdraw money from Bybit. There were two methods that I told, using just Bybit, and in case you are not able to do it using Bybit, then you can transfer all your crypto to Binance and then do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.